Are you thinking about selling your home in the future, but not quite sure where to get started or want adequate time to prepare? I'm Shelley with the Holz Group at Keller Williams, and mark your calendars for September 27th at 6 p.m., where we're going to be hosting a home seller workshop and covering the whole process from A to Z and everything that you need to know to be prepared. Whether you're thinking about moving and selling right away, or you're the type that likes to get your ducks in a row and just extra time to prepare and it's on the horizon, join us for our home selling workshop. It's going to be on September 27th at 6 p.m., hosted at the Afton Historical Museum in Afton, Minnesota. We're going to be talking all things to prepare, top dollar tips to get you top dollar in your home sale, as well as if you have a well or septic property, how the sale is different or things you need to consider if you have a well and septic that are part of that sale and transaction. So reach out to us today. Contact us at info@holtzgroup.com if you'd like to reserve your seat, and we will make sure that your spot is saved for September 27th at 6 p.m. for our home selling workshop.